Chronixx 2025. New music, Rasta road trip tour and viral TikTok vibes. Musical notes sparkles. Hey reggae fans! Get ready for an exciting 2025 with Chronixx, as he's bringing fresh music, electrifying tours, and viral TikTok moments. Don't miss out. Subscribe now to stay updated on all things Chronixx and the reggae revival movement. Chronixx, the Jamaican reggae sensation, is set to dominate 2025 with new music that's already sparking buzz. Following his critically acclaimed 2022 album Dela Splash, fans are eagerly awaiting his upcoming project, Exile, produced by Inflo, which promises a blend of roots reggae, dancehall, and soul. Posts on X hint at singles dropping soon, with collaborations rumored to feature artists like Protoje or international stars, amplifying reggae's global reach. His signature lyrical depth, tackling themes of social justice, spirituality, and African diaspora, continues to resonate, making these releases highly anticipated. Tracks like Skankin Sweet and Smile Jamaica remain fan favorites, and new songs are expected to carry the same soulful, conscious vibe that defines Chronixx's artistry. The Rasta road trip tour is another major highlight, with Chronixx headlining festivals and solo shows worldwide. In 2025, he's confirmed for events like Reggae Fest and a special performance at All Points East's Provenance show in London's Victoria Park on August 15, alongside Cleo Soul and Salt. Fans on X rave about his high-energy performances, backed by the tight Zinc Fence Redemption Band, delivering classics like Here Comes Trouble and newer hits. His concerts are more than music, they're spiritual experiences, blending love, peace, and cultural awareness, as noted by fans on Songkick. Whether it's a festival stage or an intimate venue, Chronixx's ability to connect with diverse crowds keeps the reggae revival alive. TikTok is also amplifying Chronixx's reach, with his music fueling viral trends among Gen Z creators. Songs like Skankin Sweet are soundtracking dance challenges and aesthetic lifestyle videos, with hashtags like #Chronixx and #ReggaeRevival racking up views. The platform's short-form format has made his catchy rhythms and uplifting messages perfect for montages, from nostalgic OOTDs to group dance videos in parks. This viral wave aligns with 2025's trend of retro sounds, as seen with tracks like Connie Francis' Pretty Little Baby, gaining traction. Chronixx's music, with its authentic reggae roots, fits perfectly into this analog comfort vibe, making him a staple in TikTok's creative ecosystem. Beyond music and tours, Chronixx's influence extends to cultural activism. His interviews on climate change and youth empowerment in Jamaica sparked discussions on X, tying into global sustainability trends. Limited edition vinyls of chronology and eco-friendly merch tied to his tours are also trending, appealing to fans who value conscious consumerism. As Chronixx continues to inspire, 2025 is shaping up to be his biggest year yet. Subscribe now to join the journey and catch every beat of this reggae revolution.